Hi guys, G here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a headstand. Let's get right into it. So one of the most important things is your hand placement with your head. If your hands are right by your head, you will fall. So make sure you form a triangle with your head and your hands. Now I want you to get on the ground and I want you to practice the triangle with your hands and your head. And I want you to try to shift your weight just a little bit. Try it again. Hands, head, shift your weight just a little. Now, if you don't know what I mean pushing your weight towards your hands and head. So the next step we're going to do is just like a frog stand. Your knees go on your elbows. Now you can slowly go up one knee, then the other knee, and balance. This is going to be a lot of balance. Make sure that the weight is evenly distributed between your hands and your head, or you will fall over. I'm going to do it one more time and then we're going to move on. If you have this, go ahead and move on. If you do not have this, just practice this for a little bit. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to lift your legs off of your knees and you're going to come into like a little tuck position and make sure that your hips and shoulders and head are all in line. If you arch or you're not balanced between your hands and your head, you're going to fall over. And here's just hitting a breakdance position. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the straight out and like a straddle. A lot of people seem to do this one better because it balances you. And then you have just the basic headstand where your legs are going to go straight up in the air. A headstand really is about balance, keeping your weight shifted evenly, and squeezing your core. And yeah, that's how you do a headstand. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your girl, Gina Ray.